Hi everyone, a quick video today about how you can create default segments within Matomo Analytics. So the key thing is the following one is like when you start to work with Matomo, you don't have any segments at all which are defined by default. So typically when you land on a given website, maybe not this one, so this one, already added my script, but yeah, let's take this one. You take this given website, you see there's no segments which are added by default, and it may be complicated in fact for people who are using the cloud or which have a non-premise instance which is restricted in terms of archiving, because they cannot reprocess lots of data straight away, as they need to ask their sysadmin to do so. And the idea was, how could we in fact straight away have at the beginning, or at least at the beginning, creating different default segments. So for the sake of this example, I used only the one which are the most obvious, because as I don't know the different plugins which are installed, I cannot, let's say, create very advanced segments, but just default one. So in fact, the technique that I used is like I created my segments, and then once I created them over here, I used the API in order afterward to use the API. So over here, the API, because in the API you get the segment editor, and I just, over here, so I just in fact use the segment editor add and the segment editor get all, and use an AI such as Microsoft Copilot in order to be able to create the script that I wanted. So by exporting all my segments and giving them to Matomo with one of my scripts that I already created, I was able to make in fact the script that I'm showing you right now, which allow you to in fact create automatically default segments. So let's move on. So I put the script over here in add default segments. So this is my Python script, which is gonna use the API in order to create all those segments here. So say like this doesn't really make sense because we don't have a real case example. So I'm gonna take this one. Okay, so here I am my website. As you can see, there's no segments on it. I know the ID site in number 6, and this is the only thing that I need. So this is the token that I will erase in some minutes. So I just execute my script. I just mention what is the URL of my instance. So here, this is HTTPS 2 points, and this is my website. The token is this one, and then we say that the website is the number 6, period, bam. So now all my segments are getting created. So I can just now refresh the page, and I'm getting in fact all my default segments which are created. So as I said, I created in fact really simple segments, just such as social, such as the one about the search, such as the one about the new visitors, the returning visitors, but you get the idea. So when you execute this script straight away on your website, you can of course get automatically all your default segments. We can of course do something more, easier. You can just ask to ChatGPT or any other AI to use my Python script in order to create just a single PHP page, and then just send the token and your instance to automatically create them. That's the same thing. Here's just that I prefer to put everything in one place, all in Python, so that you can easily play with those. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.